Have you ever received a brand new credit card and wondered, now what? Activation is the first step to unlocking the power of your commbank card. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of activating your commbank card. Before we dive into the activation process, let's understand why activation is essential. Your commbank card is essentially a digital key to your bank account. Until you activate it, it's essentially a piece of plastic. Once activated, you can use it for various transactions, including online purchases, ATM withdrawals, and in-store payments. Activation methods. There are primarily two ways to activate your commbank card, online and via phone. Online activation. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the commbank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Locate the card activation option. Navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. You should find an option to activate your new card. Step 3. Enter card details. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and the last 3 digits of the CVV code found on the back of your card. Step 4. Confirm activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. You may be asked to provide additional security information or answer a security question. Phone activation. Step 1. Contact commbank customer service. Dial the commbank customer service number. You can find this number on the back of your card or on the commbank website. Step 2. Provide card details. When connected to a customer service representative, provide them with your card number, expiry date, and the last 3 digits of the CVV code. Step 3. Follow instructions. The representative will guide you through the activation process. They may ask you some security questions to verify your identity. Additional tips. Security. Always keep your card details confidential. Never share your PIN or CVV code with anyone. First transaction. After activating your card, it's a good idea to make a small transaction to ensure it's working correctly. Mobile banking. If you haven't already, consider downloading the commbank mobile app. It allows you to manage your account, check your balance, and make payments on the go. Activating your commbank card is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to start using your card for your everyday transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.